Happy birthday, Dr. Irvin Chen. Stay healthy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dr. Chen from SDSER!
Happy birthday, Dr. Chen. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dr. Chen from Medical Department! Happy birthday, Dr. Chen!
Happy birthday, Dr. Chen. Happy birthday, Dr. Chen. Happy birthday, Dr. Chen.
Hi, Dr. Cheng. Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best and I wish you will have more patients to heal. Thank you very much for all that you do. From the bottom of my heart, God bless you and again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Irvin. I actually have plenty of things I love about you, pero let's narrow it down to 3. First, hindi ako magugutom pag ikaw ang kasama ko. Second, you are a generous person. Lastly, you always had my back. Thank you for being who you are. I pray that God grants you good health so you can continue to be a blessing to the people that you love and those around you. Happy birthday, Irvin.
I've always known Irvin to be a very, very passionate guy when it comes to his hobbies, his focus, and of course his determination to be the best at what he does. Whether it's racing RCs or, for example, shooting. And the cool thing about it is that he brings this passion to other facets of his life. Being a friend, a good friend, like being a father, and of course a husband. So I just want to wish you, Irvin, a happy birthday. Please enjoy, and of course, I'll see you soon.
Happy 50! Stay chubby, a Superman, so talented, so generous, so loving. You are an idol. Continue who you are, Irvin. And we are family, whether you like it or not. Happy 50th birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Doc. Thank you sa mga free consultation mo sa family namin. Wish you good health and more blessings. Next time, magbagra na ulit tayo with Arctic and Team. Bye-bye.
Hi, Doc Irvin. One thing I admire and I love with you is your humility, your patience, being a good husband and a great father to Evie, and of course your wisdom, being a good doctor. So thank you for choosing me to be your compare. Happy birthday, Golden Boy. Enjoy your 50th birthday with your loving and wonderful and amazing family. Happy birthday, Doc.
Happy birthday, Irving.
Hi! Say hi, Tito Irvin. Happy birthday. So what do we love about Tito Irvin? We love that despite not seeing each other, I know that Kuya Irvin still loves me and my family so much. I'm sick. Happy birthday. We love and miss you. Bye. Say hi. Chichu, say hi. I have sipon.
Unchanging and the same old. Happy birthday, Dr. Irvin Chen.
Happy birthday, Herbs! Happy birthday, pare. Ikaw ang the kuya I never had. Sobrang lupit mo sa amin. Thank you for taking care of everyone. No? At salamat sa being the person that you are. Okay? Happy birthday, man. I love you. Kita tayo soon. Bye!
Yo, Paul, can you take a video for me? Yeah. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tito Irvin. Happy birthday. Hi, Tito Irvin. Hi, Tito Irvin. I mean, Tito. Yo, what?
Fantastic.
Happy birthday, Tito Irvin.
You're
50 and fantastic. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Doc Irvin, Golden Boy. Wow, ikaw pala pinakamatanda sa batch natin. Doc Irvin, I remember when we were in high school, ang galing niyan mag-drawing. Wow, pag nakikita mo yung mga drawing niya, fantastic, awesome. Tapos ang galing din niyang bumarel. He's a sharpshooter. I remember we used to go to his place sa Antipolo. Nagwa-war games kami. Hindi pa yata uso airsoft noon, nag-airsoft na kami. Spring-loaded pa yata, wala pang air. No? So, again, happy birthday, Doc Irvin. Thank you very much for looking after us, health-wise. I'm taking my maintenance meds religiously. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Golden Boy.
Happy birthday, Tito Irvin!
One thing I love about Sir is, naalala ko when I was an intern, tapos an incoming medical resident, tapos siya, senior ko siya, paalis na siya noon. Despite ganon, is very dependable siya. No? You can approach him and he will make solutions with you and di ka niya papabayaan sa ere. So I think isa naman sa mga traits din na nagustuhan din niya ng time namin. Yes, yan. And I pray, sir, that you will be a blessing. Continue to be a blessing. And I pray that the Lord will sustain you so that you will be a forever dependable person. Not only sa family mo, but also to other people and sa mga patients mo. And with that, at we greet you, sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Edwin. Hindi pa ito si Sir Edwin. Ay, sorry. Sorry, Rob. Mali.
Hi, Kuya Irvin. Thanks for always taking care of me kahit na lagi ako nagkakasakit and I always need your prescriptions. So, thank you very much and hope you have a wonderful birthday and of course, more to come.
Hello, Dr. Irvin. Kamusta na po? Happy birthday, Doc. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko po good health and more blessings sa'yo. All the best, Doc. Ingatan niyo po yung sarili niyo para po marami kayong matulungan tulad namin family, lalo na si Jun, Doc. Maraming salamat, Doc, sa lahat ng countless help niyo po sa family namin, lalo na kay Jun, Doc. Thank you po talaga sa lahat, Doc. More blessing, Doc, again. Thank you, Doctor. Thanks.
Hi! One thing about Doc Irvin. Well, pag nag-message ka and it takes time na hindi siya makapag-reply, it means busy or family day or family time niya yon. But talagang sure magre-reply yan. And well, about Doc, he is a one call away nephew. Alam mo na yon kung bakit, right? Thank you always, na. Happy birthday. Always be happy, okay? Love you.
Hi, Doc Irvin. Happy golden birthday. Sobrang thankful po ako for the 8 to 9 years as your patient and as a friend from Renner days up to now. I do pray and will always pray for your good health and may God bless you more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc.
Half a century of wisdom, kindness, and calm under pressure. And somehow, you still make it look easy. Thank you for being not just our family doctor, but a true friend we can always count on. Whether it's for medical advice, life advice, or just steady reassurance when we need it most.
You've taken care of our family in more ways than one. Thank you so much, Doc, for keeping us alive. And we're incredibly grateful for you. Here's to good health, great laughs, fewer on-call emergencies, and many more years of friendship ahead.
Welcome to 50, Doc. Clearly, your best years are just getting started. Happy birthday!
Tol, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Irvin.
So, ang pinaka masasabi ko talaga, very approachable. Ang dami namin topics na laging napag-uusapan and ang dami ko laging natutunan. Pinaka gusto ko yung parang, feeling ko si Doc ano rin eh. Pag nagkaroon ng zombie apocalypse, ready rin siya. And excited na ako mangyari yun. Feeling ko if ever magka-zombie apocalypse, dalawa kami magmo-Morse code sa bintana. So, feeling ko isang possibility yun. And, yun, ang dami namin na pag-uusapan lagi. So, yun, happy birthday, Doc. I wish you the very best, long life, and two more topics na mapag-uusapan natin. So, happy birthday.
Hello. Ayan. Nakakagulat. Doc, brother, Ervin, magpi-50 ka na pala. Welcome to the 50-year-old club. Okay lang yun. Importante, healthy tayo. So, gusto lang kitang i-greet ng happy 50th. Sayang, di tayo kikita-kita sa ngayon. Kita lang tayo sa hospital, no? Hopefully, magkaroon ulit tayo ng kita-kits para masaya naman, kakwentuhan tayo ulit. Happy birthday ulit. At keep doing what you're doing. Kabox pa rin tayo kahit wala akong Volkswagen na Beetle ngayon. Yun pa rin yung roots natin. Doon tayo nagkasama-sama. So, God bless. Happy birthday. Enjoy. See you soon.
Tito Irvin, I like that we are always welcome to your house even if we make a mess. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Irvin. Here I am wishing you all the good things and all the blessings that God could give you, because you deserve all of it. Yet and Evie are so lucky to have you as their main man in the house. And thank you for touching your patients' lives and my life in such a positive way. Huwag kang magbabago. I wish you the best. Stay healthy. And I hope to see you at the range. Happy birthday, pare ko.
Si Irvin, super the best yan. We call him Ninong sa batch namin because he's literally the godfather. No? Like mafia-style godfather. Ganon. He knows everything about anything. Just ask him and he'll give a recommendation agad. No? He moves within different social circles. Pero dahil super well-rounded siya, it's so easy na makasundo siya. He's with us on all our best lakads. Mapa-car show pa yan. Laro ng Daytona sa Arcade, ganon. Or yung mga wasted sessions sa Antipolo or Thursdays at Saymaka. He's witness also to my best med school days as well as my bad decisions in life katulad ng pag-video ngayon habang nagda-drive ako. And siya yung una-una mangungumusta, no? Asking me how I was, especially nung mga times na na I was kinda down, ganyan. Sasabihan niya ako na, binigyan na kita ng 3 araw. Ika na, bumalik ka na. If you know, you know. Okay, so he's talented and artistic and super galing pa magluto maski na ayaw mag-share ng recipe. Diba? Pero okay lang. Si Irvin parang siya, he's always the person you rely on to take care of you and make sure you're safe. Siya yung masarap kasama pag may ma-outing, ganyan. No? Ay nako, super daming pang pwedeng sabihin, pero baka mabangga ako kasi nagmamaneho nga ako ngayon. Anyway, happy birthday, Irvin. I hope you really have an awesome one. I love you and I love Yet and Evie too. And since it's your golden birthday, I really do hope that you have a golden time. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Irvin. Thanks for being the voice of reason and for always being chill with Evie and the rest of the 4 boys. We're lucky to have your guidance and your hospitality. Enjoy your day.
Daddy Irvin treats my kids like his own. Happy birthday, Daddy Irvin.
Tito Irvin is always nice to me. Happy birthday, Tito Irvin.
Hello, Irvin. So, yeah, ano bang sasabi ko siyempre? Si Irvin, di ko malilimutan yung birthday niya kasi nung na-interview kami sa Lung Center, napagpalit kami. Akala nila ako si Irvin. Ang sabi sa amin ni Dr. Galvez nun, okay ka na, magpa-renew ka lang ng license. Kaya hindi ko malimutan yung birthday ni Irvin kasi nga lagi kong naalala yon dahil yun ang doon ko siya unang na-meet, doon ko siya unang nakilala. Nalaman ko pa na birthday niya. So paglabas ko ng interview, sabi ko sa kanya, pre, happy birthday. Kailangan mo daw mag-renew ng license mo. Anyway, pare ko happy birthday. Many more blessings to you. Happy and long life, and we wish you all the best, pare. Happy birthday.
What I love about Irvin is how he is passionate and dedicated to everything he has in his life. From his work, his profession, to his patients, his art, his family and friends, and also how he is the best husband to Yet and the best father to Evie. God bless you even more, Irvin, and happy birthday.
Ivan, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. I hope you enjoy your special day with the family, and I'll see you soon. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Doc Irvin! Thank you for taking good care of my family, especially mommy and daddy, and even Mang Lito. During the times that I forget that I'm also a pulmo, I've seen you work, and I know that you care so much for your patients, and I'm so thankful that you continue to be you through these years. And also lastly, I'd like to thank you for taking good care of my good friend Yet. Even though we hardly see each other, it gives me comfort that I know that she has you. Happy birthday! Also, Dad would like to say happy birthday. Dad! Happy birthday to Dr. Cheng!
Happy birthday, Dr. Cheng!
Bye-bye!
Always keep us safe, and also he let us have a lot of fun. And also, happy birthday to Irvin. Happy 50th birthday.
Hi, Kaz! I love you! Si Irvin ang isa sa idol ko yan. Kasi bukod sa mabait na anak, magaling na asawa, at mahusay na tatay kay Evie. Tapos talagang talented. Magaling sa arts, magaling mamarel, magaling dumiskarte. So talagang package yan eh. Higit sa lahat, doktor! O, di ba? Whole brainer talaga. Kaya tuwa ako sa'yo, Kaz, na very successful ka. Keep up the great work. Happy birthday!
Surprise, Doc. Balita ko, Doc, 27th birthday mo daw ngayon, Happy birthday, Doc. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pagtitiwala at sa mga bagay na naituro nyo sa akin sa industriya natin na hanggang ngayon bit ko at nagagamit ko para sa nursing career ko. Also, dun sa tiwala na binigay nyo sa akin, kasi nagbigay yun ng malaking confidence sa akin na meron akong alam at meron akong maiko-contribute sa healthcare industry. So, thank you very much for that, Doc. Also, thank you very much for you and Doktora sa laging pag-aalaga sa pamilya ko and looking after them while I'm away, kasi Mahirap mag-isip pag malayo ka, pero dahil po sa tulong nyo, lagi akong kampante. Alam ko na ang buong pamilya ko nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng anumang guidance at tulong na naibibigay niyo sa amin. Parte po kayo ng pamilya namin. And hopefully, I'll see you soon, Doc, pag uwi ko. And yeah, we can catch up. Happy 27th birthday.
Happy birthday, bossing. 50 and fabulous. You're not yet old. You're just a classic, and classics are worth more. Happy birthday!
Hi. Well, we call Irvin our Ninong when we were in med school because he always takes care of us. And he has that mafia boss vibe. So, I remember Irvin being the very caring friend. He takes care of us whenever we need help in a lot of things. And now, I want to greet you a happy birthday. May you have all of the wishes come true and have more blessings.
Doc, Doc Carmen, happy birthday. Salamat sa iyo sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Tuwing may sakit ako, gaya ngayon, may sakit na naman ako. Nasa iyo na naman ako. Alagi ako nakatakbo sa iyo. Ikaw ang nag-aalaga sa akin. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Today is your birthday. Enjoy your special day. Maraming salamat, and I wish you all the luck in the world, and I wish that all your dreams come true. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Salamat, Doc.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. If there's one thing na core memory ko kay Doc na hindi ko makakalimutan is natandaan ko nung time na nagiinuman kami na Jake, na Rex, na Von, dahil gusto kong magtago dahil ayoko nang uminom. Nagtago ako sa kwarto ni Doc Irwin sa ilalim ng kama niya kasi lahat kami takot kay Doc Irwin, hindi sila makakapasok sa kwarto. Yun yung never ko makakalimutan kay Doc. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Doc Irvin!
Happy birthday, Doc Irvin!
Grabe, 50 years old, midlife crisis na tayo. Well, nakikita ko yung mga Facebook posts ninyo ng family mo, and I'm so happy to see that you have a very good work-life balance going on. Gusto ko panoodin yung mga posts ninyo when you do shooting together with your family, lalo na yung anak mo, ang galing-galing niya. And it's nice to see that you have a lot of bonding time with your family, which is also very important dahil syempre hindi naman tayo puro trabaho. So, ano masasabi mo, Mrs.?
I would like to say thank you, and we are so grateful na we are part of the extended friends of you, Doc Irvin, because during my COVID story, you were there. So, I think isa kami sa na-bless mo na because of your expertise. So, I think another life for me. Thank you so much.
Hindi ko makakalimutan yon yung tulong mo sa amin, Doc Irvin, dahil syempre ikaw yung tao na bukal from your heart nagbigay sa amin ng advice, no? And kung hindi dahil sa mga payo mo sa amin, ako hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. So, I'm sure na marami ka rin natutulungan na ganyan every single day of you being a doctor, kayo mag-asawa, and we just want you to know that there are people just like us who are grateful for you. And now na 50 years old ka na, wow, 50 years old, you have the rest of your life to look forward to. I hope that you would have happier days with your family, lalo na ngayon na invest mo na yung career mo, na meron ka ng very good career. I hope that you have more time with your family. I hope that you have more time with your friends, and I hope to see you soon, no, in one of our gatherings.
Ako, ang wish ko kay Doc Cheng is to be more healthy so that you will have more time to enjoy. And ayun lang. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi, Irvin. Still breathing easy, still saving lives, and still the one we trust most with ventilator settings. Wishing you great years ahead, healthy life, and plenty of time to enjoy life outside the ICU. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hello. Happy birthday, sir. O, di ba? Ang tagal na natin magkakilala since JI pa ako. O, 2000 ano yan? 2008. O, di ba? Ngayon, sir, yan. Salamat sa mga referral.
Happy birthday, Doc Irvin. Grabe, ang bilis na. 50 na tayo. Anyway, kailan pa tayo bibiling 556? More power to your practice, your health, and to your family. Happy birthday, Doc.
Hey, Doc Irvin. Well, what can I say to this man? One of the most humble and down-to-earth person that I ever met. You know, back in the days, nasa kingdom kami, oh my God, he has a lot of patience with us. Pinagluluto pa kami niyan. Masarap magluto yan. That's why we call him Chef Irvin, right? Anyway, thank you for the friendship that we had before, and well, thank you dahil you treat us like your brothers when we were in kingdom before. But anyway, I don't want to take more of your space. I just want to say happy birthday. All right, and enjoy your day, be healthy, and I hope you stay more longer. Regards to all right? I love you, brother. See ya.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.